Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. What is the sum of all two-digit odd positive numbers? So we know first two-digit odd positive number is 11. Therefore, A equal to 11. Last two-digit odd positive number equal to 99. Therefore, L equal to Tn equal to 99. So and we since this is odd positive numbers, therefore D, that is common difference, is equal to 2. So we can easily find the number of terms n from this information. So Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore 99 equal to 11 plus n minus 1 into 2. So we get n minus 1 equal to 88 divided by 2. 88 is 99 minus 11. Therefore this is equal to 44. That gives us n is equal to 45. Now we can easily find the sum of these numbers. Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L. That is first term plus last term. So that gives us sum of 45 numbers is equal to 45 by 2 multiplied by 11 plus 99. So that is equal to 45 multiplied by 9 plus 1 is 10, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. So 110 divided by 2, which is equal to 45 multiplied by 55. Let's do the multiplication. So 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25 plus 2 is 27. 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20 plus 2 is 22. So 5, 7, 4, 2. So we get sum, that is required sum, equal to 2475. 2475. And if we look at the options, yes, answer is option B.